गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकावैस्तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। बद्धे वितनुते भक्तिं मूर्खमावर्तय श्रुतिं। Appearance day of, not actually day, Tithi, lunar day of Sri Lalita Devi. Who is the leader of all Sakhi and Manjari? Yes, she is the leader. She is the main Sakhi. Lalita, Vishakha, they are on the same platform, but then also Lalita Devi, she is leader. In Lilasmaran, in Gutika, in another books, and in Kirtan also, we can say this, that Manjari is there arranging everything, external seva, not Rahani Kunja Bilash, like what it is going in front of everyone, like Nishanta Lila, Mangala Arati, Sandhya Arati. We'll do all the work that time. The Manjaris, they will help. But Lalita Devi will do this. And Nishanta Lila will wash their face, feet. Manjaris will help her to do this. And then she will do Mangala Arati. At the evening also. In Kirtan, it is clearly mentioned. Arati karatahi lalita pyari. She is little bit older than Srimati Radharani. So that's why most of the time she is controlling Srimati Radharani. And Srimati Radharani always, she follows the words of Lalita Devi. Because Srimati Radharani, she has strong faith, trust on her. What Lalita will say, it's beneficial for me, it's good. It's for my betterment. So I can follow by closed eyes. So she appeared on this day, on this Tithi, Lalita Saptami. Tomorrow is Radhastami, appearance day of Srimati Radha. There is so many opinions. Somehow it is said Lalita Devi, she is 27 days older than Srimati Radharani. Somehow it is said more. It is said the same age. But the point is this, Saptami. She appeared on this day, Lalita Saptami. My dear friends, who is the leader of all Sakhis and Manjaris? So, as a follower of this path, we must get centered on her lotus feet. Because leader can do anything. Sometimes the master, maybe they have not that desire. But if something decided by the leader, so owner, master, they'll accept it. So we have many places to get lesson for seva. There is Rupa Manjari, Ananga Manjari, and Lalita Devi. So my dear friends, I'm offering my pranam and I'm taking shelter to a lotus feet and pray to her. When there will be my turn will come. Hey Lalita Devi, please allow me to serve Srimati Radharani. Now we'll go to Katha. Because there is also Katha of Srimati Radharani, Lalita Devi. If we are following the Leelas, so by following Leelas, we can realize, we can feel about the characters who are there. About Lalita Devi, in many Leelas, we have seen that maybe Krishna is defaulter. He performed some offense against Srimati Radharani, maybe some cheating. So Krishna came and apologized, but Srimati Radharani is not talking, actually talking Lalita Devi. Srimati Radharani, she kept silence. Who was talking with Krishna? Says Lalita Devi. Because Lalita Devi said, Radhe, that is good that you just shut your mouth when Krishna will come. I'll talk with him. And I can do that. Otherwise, if you'll talk, you'll manage your anger. And if it's happened, so again and again, same mistake you'll do. But we should not let him do that. So Radhe kept silence. I'll talk with him. And sometimes Lalita Devi, forcefully, he pushed Krishna out from Kunja, Nikunja Kutir, or from that garden. And she said to Krishna, don't come back here. Srimati Radharani, she doesn't want you again here. Srimati Radharani didn't say anything. Everything was said by Lalita. So by this Leelas, we can realize or we can feel the character. When we'll listen, when we'll hear the Leela carefully, so the character will come in front of us. Now we are really feeling and realizing the nature and character of Vishakha Shakti. What she likes, how she likes. And Lalita Devi too. In the Leela, Srimati Radharani loved to follow her words. Srimati Radharani loved to follow Lalita's word and Vishakha's word also. So my dear friends, that's why Tavat karmani kurbita no nirvidyeta yavata mat katha sarvanado sradhya yavan na jayate. Krishna said, by this all, by hearing his katha, his lila katha, Shraddha, respect, attachment, dedication, love will develop inside of our heart. And we can feel and realize the characters. But for that, we have to listen carefully. Not just like listening stories. No, this is not only stories. This look like stories. But what is described there in Srimad Bhagavata, Chaitanya Charitamrita, Chaitanya Bhagavat, it's look like story. Everything, all the contents are there. But in other hand, this is history too. Stories and truths, tattva, not the general tattva, Radha tattva. Because Sriman Mahaprabhu very clearly, he mentioned it. He can ask, all right, please describe me about Radha tattva. No. It was not like that. He asked, Radhar Sharup ki Krishner Sharup. He asks the same things about the truths, but in a very special way. That means, right? Please clearly describe the truths of Srimati Radharani. What is written in books, not only that. The actual perfect truths, very details. Swarup, which is very intimate. So he mentioned it, Swarup, which is most intimate. That mood, that all the truths of Srimati Radharani, I want to hear. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he clearly mentioned it. And Ramananda Rai, he started to describe in that way how Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu won in details. But how much he can? Because there is no boundary, no limits. Srimati Radharani, she has countless qualities. Same like Krishna, maybe more than Krishna. And Ramananda Rai, Vishakha Shakti, she is describing which is most intimate and important. He is describing only that, not everything, just the intimate contents. And he is describing in a very, very intelligent way. The qualities of Srimati Radharani, they are not normal, general. It's very rare. Only it will be in Srimati Radharani, not any person other. Only to Srimati Radharani. Rasadi Sanchari mood. After that, after this, it will come that Kilakinchitadi mood. And all those qualities only will manifest in Srimati Radharani. So very cleverly, Ramananda Rai, Vishakha Shakti, she is describing that secret of Srimati Radharani to Sri Krishna. Srimati Radharani, he is describing Srimati Radharani's tattva to Srimati Radharani, to Krishna, to Gaura. Was one. With the union of Sri Krishna and Srimati Radharani. So, who is very special. His or her, all the qualities will be like jewel, ornaments. Because all those, why he compared it with the ornaments? Because these all qualities developing attachment of Krishna, love for Krishna, and it will bring Krishna near to them. So that's why these all qualities, all moods are not general mood. It's like ornaments.